Nope.
Man, beautiful day. Today we're taking this whole training concept outside. I've got some rings in the trees. Yeah, we're going to be using the tree for some of our support work. And we have some mats set up in our garage here in a little bit on the other side of that Jeep, as you'll see. Man, welcome to neighborhood fitness. Welcome to home fitness, guys. Sometimes a delivery truck drives by and makes a lot of noise, but that's okay. We have to be very appreciative of what we have available to ourselves right now, guys. We have communities, we have safe homes, we have a government that's doing their best to help us out. This is things that most people do not have in the world. So guys, get up, get moving, let's get rocking and rolling for the day. We are going to be focusing from here on out, muscle ups, handstands, and pistols. Rock and roll, guys. Alright guys, we're about to get rocking and rolling, but before we do, with a few pieces of equipment we do require today. As always, the infamous stick. You can never, ever do enough with a stick. You'll need a foam roller, any length will work. And the last tool you'll need is something to hang on. This can be a tree. Get creative. We have some rings you'll see shortly set up in the front yard. Order yourself a hook-in door frame pull-up bar. If you're not sure what that is, text me and I can get you information on that. It'll take a few seconds to acquire something to hang on, a stick, and a foam roller. All right, let's rock and roll, guys. Stick on the ground. We don't need it yet. We're going to take this right leg and try and put the top of the foot, top of the shin, as best we can on the ground behind us. We're going to lay back, taking a nice deep breath. And we're going to make circles with our knee. We're going to go counterclockwise and then clockwise. On my count, 3 seconds out, 3 seconds in. Taking off in 3, 2, 1, and inhale. 2, 3, exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. 2, 3, exhale. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Last one. All right, switching legs, guys, switching legs. Remember, we are on a 3-second count. Every breath, nice long spine. Shouldn't be like you're, no. Very relaxed. And starting left leg, counterclockwise in 3, 2, 1, and inhale. Exhale. Make sure you're relaxing all the time. Inhale. Exhale. Using the least amount of muscles as possible. Really feeling the hip open up. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for 3, 2, 3. Exhale. 2, 3. All right, guys. Next one. We're going to grab our sticks, stand tall, nice wide split, and we're going to hang low. From here, we are keeping our arms straight, we're keeping our legs straight, we're going to be articulating and spinning and rotating in both directions at the spine. Very important to feel your weight back in your heels through here, belly button in, nice long spine as we rotate. So starting here, we'll first come taking the left side of the stick, wrapping it around the back of the leg, going into a full dislocate, and then we'll go to the other side, reaching down behind the leg with the fist, bringing it back around to the front. Okay, so make a big circular sweeping motion, okay? On my count, 5 seconds to middle inhale, 5 seconds exhale, back to start. Rocking and rolling. In 3, 2, 1, inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should be in the middle. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should be in the middle. Reverse directions. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Should be in the middle. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Guys, it's okay. Reverse directions. Inhale. It's okay if you're starting to get some arm bending and some leg bending. Just do your best to stay as long as you can to straighten as much of the body as possible. Okay. Reverse directions. And make sure you keep a good solid grip on the stick. Try to feel your palms, the balls of your palms, everything. Oh, all the way through. One more each direction. Inhaling. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Okay, nice job, guys. Let's take it back down to the mat. Okay, for this next exercise, we are going to do a wall bridge rotation. You have two options for this. You can either do your wall bridge on the wall, or if you are advanced and you can do an actual bridge, I would recommend you do this bridge on the ground. Lindsay, will you demonstrate a wall bridge for me real quick? First, over here on this side. First off, go as low as you can on the wall. And notice, guys, whenever we're making a bridge, we're trying to make a nice rounded structure here. So pull yourself underneath. Yeah. Just straighten the arms for me. Block them out. Nice, good, solid control curve structure. And then coming back in, staying nice and tight, keeping the hips or shoulders open, and coming right back out, okay? You can do these guys on the wall or on the ground, 10 repetitions on my count. All right, rocking and rolling, and we're going to go left side first, guys. We're going to rotate out to our left side first, starting from center. In 3, 2, 1, and left side. 1, 2, 3, reverse. 1, 2, 3, right side. 1, oh, I'm slipping on my mat. 2, 3, reverse. 1, 2, 3, other side. 1, 2, 3, reverse. 1, 2, 3, right side. 1, 2, 3, reverse. 1, 2, 3, that's 4. 1, 2, 3, reverse. 1, 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3, reverse. 1, 2, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, reverse. 1, 2, 3, 7. 1, 2, 3, reverse. 1, 2, 3, 8. One more. 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, and out. 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, and done. All right, guys, let's get to the meat of the workout. All right, guys, first exercise is going to be a handstand first press. You can do this in the handstand or the pike position. Very simple. Get a nice straight arm press, putting lots of weight through the shoulders, belly button in, pulling the hips off the wall. We're going to drop the shoulders, keeping the arms straight, press through the shoulders. 10 times. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. There's 4, 5, 6. Arms stay straight. 7, 8, 9, 10. Right. First pull into a chin up, okay? The chin up meaning we want to end with our palms backwards. First pull chin up meaning we first pull first. So belly button in, relax the leg. First pull, chin up. First pull, chin up, okay? So that's the exercise we're going to be doing. As far as yourself, do the best possibility you can on this, all right? If you're only to here, work there. If you're only to here, work here. Doesn't matter, 10 repetitions, each repetition being the full range of motion you can obtain during that repetition. First pull, then chin up. All right, rock and roll. My neighbor Tal, if he gets in the video, say hey Tal. All right, guys, we're going a bit quick, explosive, up and down. In 3, 2, 1, up. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. First pull. Woo. Best you can get. Best you can get. One more. Whoa, nice job, guys. All right, guys, for this next one, we're gonna open up our spine real quick. Just do a little mobility work to get our shoulders a little bit more functional and available to us as we move forward in the workout. So, your foam roller needs to be right underneath your scapula. Your scapula is this little C shape right here. You can feel it, should hook right underneath that guy. Thanks, baby. All right, so put the foam roller right under the scapula, put your legs straight, grab your stick a little outside hand width, and put the stick on the ground over your head, relaxing. Now, you can feel the top of your hands on the ground. What I want you to do is keep the top of your hands on the ground, and you're gonna pull your elbows up, doing a little first pull, and slide those hands in until the stick touches the top of your head, and then back out. Inhaling in, exhale out. Try to relax that body. Inhale, exhale. Got 10 of these, that's 3. Inhale. Exhale, make sure you're putting lots of space through that spine. Relaxing legs. Relax as much space as you can. What is that, 6, babe? 7. Do the best you can with counting. Yeah, I don't know how to count very well. 8, good. Inhale. 9. Inhale. And exhale. Good. All right, guys. Next exercise is pistol squats. This is going to be doing an assisted version here using this user helper, not a tree hugger, something wrong with that. And I am actually standing on a little bit of an incline, so if you notice my foot's at a pretty good angle down there, the angle goes to if I was standing straight. So feel free to modify it, increase the angle, whatever you think is always work the maximum range. That's not all the way down, then I'm on those out. Do the road, squash the can, come back up. 10 repetitions per leg, alternating legs. 40 repetitions total, ready? Check these guys out. Let's see these toes are down. One to help. Exhale. Switch legs. Alright, let's count on the answers. 2. Exhale. 3. 4. Nice long spine. 5. 6. Good. 7. 8. Good guys, come on. Exhale. Okay, nice long spine. 11. Good. Push through the hill. Chest open. 12. 13. Good. 14. Oh yeah. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. Yeah, finish up what you got left, guys. Nice work. All right, guys. This next one's going to be a lumbosacral march. The idea here is to do a little core strength as well as put some length back into our hips after you just put a little trauma into some healthy trauma from the pistol squats, okay? All right. The area you want to put the foam roller is going to be roughly where your waistband is. If you want to go about 1 to 1.5 inches above the top of your butt crack, that's also a good area. It's right at the bottom of our spine, comes into the top of our pelvis, sacral. You may have to move your shorts out of the way a little bit like I do to get in this position, all right? But when you have it right, when it feels like your pelvis starts to gently wrap around the foam roller. Okay, next thing, we're going to draw on the knees. Oh, one more thing, guys, if this is painful on your back, just put a pillow or something soft on top to soften the pressure. All right, we're going to hook this guy right here, and our ankles are pulling our toes up and cupping the air with our feet. And we are going to maintain equal distance as we very slowly extend out and back in, guys. All right, we'll inhale out.
Why can I not do these?
Exhale in. Guys, if you find yourself being pulled off to the other side, your balance is off. No big deal, just adjust the foam roller. Mine was a little bit too far up. Okay, rocking and rolling. 3 seconds out, 3 seconds in on my count. Arms relaxed over your head in 3, 2, 1. Inhale out. 2, 3, exhale. There's 1. Inhale. Okay, don't drop it on my face, please. Exhale. There's 2. Good. Inhale out. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. There's 3 repetitions. Inhale. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. There's 4. Inhale. Exhale. There's 5. Inhale. at stick level. Exhale. There's 6. One more. Inhale, stick level. Open chest. Relax the arms. Exhale. There's 7. Go as far as you can, guys. If you can't reach out all the way, exhale. That's all right. Just go the furthest you possibly can. Doesn't matter how far it is, as long as far as you can possibly go. Over time, you'll be able to extend that distance as you get stronger. And exhale. And we're done, guys.
I want y'all to know that I do not know the workouts before you do, so I'm doing them without any practice.
Nice work, guys. Yep. All right, guys, thoracic mobility. Legs straight, squeeze the knees, nice long spine, pushing through the top of the head, solid grip on the stick, back of the hands on the ground, elbows traveling up towards the ceiling. Exhale. Squeeze the knees, belly button in. Exhale. Back of the hand on the ground, spine nice and long. Exhale, there's 4. Good, 5. Elbows up, guys. 6. You did good. Inhale. Exhale, 7. 8. Inhale. 9. Inhale. And 10. Nice job, guys. All right, guys, we need to go into those pistol squats. Remember, I'm on an incline. Feel free to elevate the heels a little bit if you need to help you range of motion. And also, max range of motion is achieved. Alternating legs, 20 repetitions, 10 per leg. Nice quick 2 down, 2 up, guys. 3, 2, 1. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, open chest, open spine. 7, 8, open the chest. Deep breath, lift into the head. 9, halfway. 10, 12, almost fell. 11, 12, inhale. 13, guys, if you can slow your breath down, we'll do a couple of repetitions per breath, please do. 17, 18, 19, 20. All right, guys, our thoracic march. Remember, our sacrum pelvis should feel like it's slightly wrapping around, heading down to the bottom. We're going to bring knees into chest, stick here. And guys, remember, everything is about doing it to the best of your ability. Only go for full range of motion if you can actually achieve full range of motion. Otherwise, if you notice Lindsay, she's limiting you a little bit. That's how you progress. That is where you start. To get from point A to point B, you have to progress yourself in that direction. Lindsay's progressing themselves. You guys progress yourself by doing the best you possibly can. Think of 3 out, 3 in, guys. Inhaling out, exhaling in. And 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. Hold that spine tight. Belly in. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. There's 2, guys. There's 3. Good. There's 4. Nice work, guys. There's 5. Good. Let's go. Let's go. Inhale. Exhale. There's 6. Yeah, 7. Come on, guys. 3 more. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, big breaths. There's 8. Hold that belly in. Nice long spine. And 9. Heel. One more, guys. One more. And exhale. Yeah. Finish up what you got, guys. Finish up what you got. Take a break if needed. We just finished the second round. We're going to start round 3 here momentarily. Grab some water, rest is needed, guys. That's good tip. Load it a little bit, guys. That's totally perfect. Listen to your body. Listen to what it tells you it needs to do to make this exercise doable for you. Stick 5. All right, guys. Round 3. Hey, get off my tree. All right, guys, quick inhales, quick exhale. Get those hands as close as you can, pushing through the thumbs and the index finger. Nice long spine in 3, 2, 1. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. There's 4, inhale, exhale. There's 5, inhale, exhale. There's 6, inhale, exhale. 7, inhale, exhale. 8, inhale, exhale. 9, inhale, exhale. 10. Oh man, yeah. On to those chin-ups, guys. In 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh my goodness. All right, guys. Thoracic spine mobility just underneath the shoulder blades. Just a reminder, it's the C on our back. Squeeze the knees together. Nice long spine, holding the belly button in, making our hollow body firm grip. Poking the head through, extending the back of our neck. Putting the back of our hands on the back of the ground, elbows up. I know it's not that much to remember. And breathing in 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. What's that?
Bring your head up.
Inhale, you're lengthening the spine. Exhale. Yep, that's lengthening the spine. What number are we on? Is that 4?
Yeah.
Inhale, exhale, 5. Lots of length to that spine, guys. Remember, turtle head. 6, good. Nice and long. 7, trying to keep those elbows up. Back nice and open. 8, try not to squeeze those shoulder blades together. Shoulder blades should be running away from each other. 9, last one. And 10. Oh, that's a good stretch, guys. All right, guys, back to pistols. I'm introducing a little bit of a modifier here to help with structure and form. How to hold this in your hands or setting your elbow pitch. Just try to keep your chest open and keep it flat against your elbow pitch doing your pistols. All right, 20 repetitions, 10 per leg. 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Exhale, sorry. 2, 3, 4. Inhale. Exhale. 5. Inhale. Whoa. Exhale. 6, 7, 8. Hey Ryan, come on. 9, 10. Stay 6 feet away. Corona rules. You can get in the video, Ryan. You'll recognize this guy from the gym. 13, 14. Inhale. Exhale. 15. Inhale.
You the boots too?
16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. Nice job, guys. Third round. All right, guys. Last one. Cervical mobility as well as core strength. Remember? Yeah, excuse me. Goodness gracious. I must be tired. Sacral, guys. Thank you, babe. Working on some sacral, lumbosacral extension here, some lumbosacral mobility. Pull the shorts out of the way a little bit if you need to get to that good spot where the pelvis just starts to wrap around the foam roller. Stick up on top of those ankles, curling the feet, reaching out through the heels, arms on the ground above your head. 3 seconds out, 3 seconds in, inhaling in 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. Make sure the chest is relaxed. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. Relax the necks. Inhale. 1, 2, 3. Exhale. 1, 2, 3. What's that? 4?
Sure.
Yeah. Inhale. I can't keep count, guys. Guys, make sure you're staying as relaxed as you can. Keep the shoulders and the arms nice and relaxed. There's 6. Make sure our glutes aren't contracting. The abdomen is working nice and easy. Here's 7. Good long extension, pushing through those hills. Holding the belly button in as best you can. There's 8. Good, guys. 2 more, 2 more. Inhaling out. Exhaling in. Inhaling out. Exhaling in. And done. Keep working if you got a few reps left, guys. Man, nice work today, guys. That is it for today. No, it's not. We're gonna do some mobility. That's not it for today.
Good job.
All right, guys, nice job today. Kudos to you for giving a shit about yourself. All you're doing here is taking care of numero uno, and trust me, I know you feel it just from yesterday and from last week. When you take care of yourself, my goodness, it's so much easier for you to take care of the people that you care about in your lives, guys. Take care of yourself so you can take care of others, okay? We are done with the workout. Let's get to a little mobility. Cool ourselves down. First position, let's hit our pigeon stretch. One of my favorites, as you all know. We're going to just relax fully with our upper body this time, reaching the arms over the head, and give me 5 curls through our hamstring on our back leg. Foot needs to stay nice and relaxed, leading with the heel. 3 seconds up, 3 seconds down, inhaling up, inhaling down. In 3, 2, 1, inhale. 1, 2, 3, exhale. 1, 2, 3, inhale. 1, 2, 3, exhale. 1, 2, 3. Guys, make sure your hips aren't traveling up away from the ground. Think of pushing your knee out away from your body towards what's behind you. 2 more reps. Nice deep inhales, bringing in, relaxing as much as you can, exhaling out. 1 more. And exhale. All right, let's roll to the other side, guys. Make sure we're getting that breath nice and slowed down. Remember, with our breath, we can tap into our autonomic nervous system, and we can influence our breath rate, influence our breath pattern, and increase or decrease the rate of aspiration, really at our whim. Your inspiration, I should say, right? I said that wrong. It's not, whatever. You get it. We like to argue sometimes. Start breathing. 3, 2, 1, inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Remember, guys, our hips are running away from each other. Our knee is moving away from our body, pushing it towards the wall or whatever's behind us. Keeping the body nice, long, and relaxed. There's 4. 1 more. There's 5. Good. All right. Put those hands on the ground, guys. I want you to place yourself to where your arms are perfectly vertical and your humerus is perfectly vertical, and you've got a little bit of a rounded back here, so a little bit like a cat, all right? Nothing fancy, cool. All right, sweet. From this position, your goal is to try to drop yourself forward, only moving back as much as you have to get into the most forward and challenging down dog you can think of. Okay? Once we're there, this is already there. Once you're there, we're going to hold that for 5 inhales and 5 exhales. Each one's going to be 3 seconds of maximal inhalation, 3 seconds of maximum exhalation, okay? 5 repetitions. Let's find our spots. 3, 2, 1. Inhale, nice long spine. Exhale. And let the breath lift the body. Inhale. Exhale, nice long spine. Inhale. Open the chest. Exhale. Inhale, open the chest. Exhale. 1 more. Inhale, open the chest. And exhale. Oh, yeah. Nice job, guys. Okay. We got 1 more on each side, guys. 1 more stretch we're going to be doing, and we're going to call it for today and leave it up to you to tend to yourself for the rest. Yeah, you're responsible. Take care of yourself, too. All right. Grab your right ankle with your left arm. Put your head on the ground, putting your nose into your right bicep. Left ear on the ground. From here, I'm going to push through my hand with my right foot, creating a rolling motion, and then I'm just going to hang out. Once here, 3 seconds out of pushing the leg behind me, and 3 seconds in. And 3, 2, 1, inhale out. Exhale in, relaxing the body. Inhale, pushing against your hand. Exhale. There's 2, 3 more. Inhale. Exhale. Good, guys. Inhale. And exhale. With that 5, we'll do 1 more just in case. Inhale. And exhale. All right, switching sides. Bringing the arm around. Right ear goes on the ground. Right hand to left ankle. 3, 2, 1. Inhale. Exhale. Keep those hips open. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Nice and relaxed. Inhale. And exhale. Good. Inhale. Exhale. One more. Let's take a minute, guys. Lay in whatever position is comfortable for you. And we're just going to breathe deeply, okay? Nice deep 5-second inhales, nice 5-second exhales. And all we're trying to do is just inflate and relax any tension in our body that we find that resist our inflation. In 3, 2, 1. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On your own. Twenty more seconds. All right, guys, workout's done. One more thing left to do.